Kipper the Dog, Water Play, 2004 VHS. Here's the front, the spine, the other spine, the top, and the back. The episodes are the umbrella, the seaside, the rainbow pedal, the paddling pool, and Big Al's bath. FBI warning. Original warning. Available from Hit Entertainment.
Kipper can always call on his friends on a sleepless night.
What on earth could that be? Hello?
It's me, Kipper.
Hello, Kipper.
I can't sleep. What do you think I should do?
And when he's sick.
Are you feeling all right? Well, you look terrible.
Friendships, a great reason to celebrate. Enjoy 6 tail-wagging stories of friendship on Kipper's Friendship Tales, now available from Hit Entertainment.
Kipper the Dog.
They call him Kipper. Kipper the dog. The dog with the slipper. That's Kipper. Kipper the dog. By the way, that's a toad, not a frog. Now he can do this. Do you think that you could? And he can do that, which is more than any old cat could. Would you like a dog, like a dog, like a dog?
The umbrella,
like a
based on
dog,
looks like Nick Dorn.
Kipper?